Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, now today we are going to use what Century account as a student. If you are not having a official account, you have received from the school, not yet. So you need to do what you need to use this account to do Century Nuggets and enhance your skill to refine your skills. So let's take a start. You need to enter your email and password over here. First of all, you need to type here and then enter your account here. For example, I'm going to type here this account TCS. Okay, this one, and then password is there. Okay, and after that you need to click on sign in. I will share the password with you. No need to worry. Okay, now after that click on sign in. I'm not going with Microsoft 365. I just main login page. You need to click on that, and here is your learning path. You need to click here. This zigzag. This one is selected here right now. So here's your learning path. When you click on, for example, you want to go for this nugget, then click on Start Simple Mass and Weight. Click on that mathematics if it is related to you. Otherwise, you need to search and find out. And after that, you need to answer these questions after reading it. For example, you just click here and then go for submit and then keep moving forward. Next question, something like that. You need to after reading every question, you need to select a suitable answer and then go for the submit button. If this answer is not correct, then you need to click on where correct answer, check your answer, and then go for the next question, just like that. Okay, now this first one is what is your tutorial nuggets. You can find over here. You start from the first option, and then this one is what this book is just like. Okay, this will give you complete guidance. First of all, I will recommend you parents, students. So you need to click here, about Century as a student or about Century as a teacher. If you are teacher, then go for the first one. If you are student or parents, so go for the second one. Click on it and follow each and everything. All the instruction and guidance is there about Century. What is the purpose of Century, what is the real life application of the Century, and all that. So the rest of the subjects you can find over here. For example, if you are taking maths of class 3, then click here. Maths of class 4, then click here, and keep scrolling down and keep doing this. Okay, till then you will not get your official account. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Happy learning.